Listen, most times I like seeing my table. Why it gives me an idea of what I'm supposed to do. Okay, so I said the question says so we have the invoice ID, we have the customer ID, we have the invoice date, we have the billing address, we have the billing city, we have the billing state, we have the billing postal code, and we have total. In this, the way I want us to do it is that we'll think together. You are the ones that will tell me what to write. So they says write a query to show the highest to the lowest invoice amount generated in each billing city. I repeat, write a query to show the highest to the total lowest total invoice amount generated in each billing country. What are they telling us to do? Please, can someone help us? We have doctor in the house and we have giant in the house. What? Yes, so
Yes, like maximum and minimum.
maximum and minimum.
Yeah, highest amount. We should show the highest. Is it not?
They said highest to the lowest, not highest and lowest.
So
They said
highest to the lowest. So
highest to the
as
lowest, not
ascending,
you said.
descending order.
Uh, okay, so you have an idea of what the question is supposed to be, right?
Mm.
I mean, what the answer. So the question I want to ask you: descending order of what? Say?
Of the amount in the invoice.
Amount of invoice of what now?
Of the total invoice amount
Of what?
of the billing country.
Thank you, thank you, Mr. Jesse. Please just unmute your mic. I saw there's no noise in your place. But the way class is going to be is that at 7:30 we should be done. All right? Yeah, 7:30 we should be done. The questions I asked, I prepared about 15 of them. I don't understand. It just wiped out of my system. I think when I was trying to change over to NEPA, solar to NEPA, I don't know what happened. As I said, let me shut down the laptop, but I did not save the work. I don't understand. Everything just wiped out. So just unmute your mic. You are joining with your system, right? Kelechi.
Sir, I don't have light. So I'm joining with my phone.
Only Jaya, you see that it's only you that have light. It's like you're the light of the world. Eh?
Yes, so
I beg you, show them love. Show them how the way is done. It's cut soap for all of us. Huh? Because some of us, I don't know where we are in this world now. At the light of the world. Light, the world is the light of us.
There's
So,
no light in Nigeria.
I know it's solar I'm using actually. I'm using solar.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I'm enjoying lights. If not, I'll be to me too. I'll join with my phone as a teacher. Yeah, the class code. Okay, so what the way the class is going to be, don't bother about. You might. What I will advise you, everybody does is this.
Mm.
Okay, from your phone you can screenshot all the questions we are going to do. By the time we write the answer, this is what you do for me: screenshot it on your phone, on your system. For those that use the system, you can write everything you need to write down. Screenshot. Make sure you now do it on your SQL tab and send the screenshot to the classroom. Is that okay? You
Okay.
understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So
Yes.
when we are done with the answer and everything, the answer is showing below. That's when you screenshot. Then you now do it on your own and send it tomorrow. Tomorrow is holiday. Oh. Tomorrow is holiday. Oh. So there's chance. So let's go.
People should give us holiday. People should give us holiday.
This is the holiday now. So come and do
No,
SQL. Let's proceed.
no class holiday.
So let's go, Jerry. Me that don't you think I like holiday? I'm here teaching SQL. Let's continue. So basically, from what you just said, we agree that what we want to do is want to find the we want to find the highest to the lowest in total invoice per country. That's exactly what we are doing. All right. We want to find. Let me write it here. Let me just write it here. Highest to the lowest country per country invoice. All right. That's exactly what we are doing. This is exactly what we want to do. So let's proceed. So I'll do select. What's the next thing I'll write? What am I selecting? My nose, have my teeth. What am I selecting? Please help me.
Billing country.
Okay, see what we'll do. Giant, you're the one that will give me the answer for this one. The next question.
Ah.
Doctor, prepare. Say now.
Who's asking for life looking for trouble? Both of you
Hmm.
should get out.
Yes, please let's do it together.
So off me here. Say now. Like if I like if I say she come and teach the class. Jesus Christ. I wish we recorded all this thing and our faces were showing. We will put it on our on my status. Ha! It will be meme. All this TikTok meme. Okay, let's continue. Okay, now see you say
The
everybody's.
network is poor, sir.
Now your side. I don't know where you did, but I don't know where you did still. Okay, so let's say just bear with me. So select billing country. Now I put an alias. Let me put country as the alias. It helps me remember. The select billing country as country. What's the next thing? Since you said everybody should do it, who can help us? Everybody don't quiet now. What's the next thing? Say we are doing by invoice, highest to the
But
lowest per country invoice.
invoice.
Please will help me.
Something.
Where did you see invoice in all the columns here? There's a name. There's a name. Not his name is not invoice. Invoice means sales now.
Mm.
Mm.
It's just still on the table. Me, I'm not saying sales. Oh.
That's what I'm trying to say. You need to able to interpret this total here means sales. That's what it means. Invoice means sales, and it's represented here by total. Another word is revenue. Invoice is transactions. So, okay. Okay, let me put it this way. Let me say in country sales. And let me put it that way. In bracket revenue, so we'll not forget. Don't forget, revenue and sales are the same thing. You can say invoice too. Invoice is the transaction. What I mean by invoice is row one, row two, row three. It's like, for example, you are seeing only 5 invoices. So what am I supposed to do next? I'm supposed to do an aggregation of something.
Some
Yes.
total.
Some total.
Yes. Everybody's mouth is moving now. Let me use alias. You can give me an alias I should use. Give me
Sales.
sales. Good. Good. So now this is what we show. If you run the query correctly, this is what we show. To show us country and to show us sales. Is that clear? But we have not finished the backyard work, back end work rather. So write a query to show the highest to the lowest total invoice amount generated in each billing country. In each billing, because of this, we are going to be showing the results per country. Is it not so? They say, okay. So what am I supposed to do? There's a function I'm supposed to do to make it per country. What is that function?
From.
Some bow.
I said from.
Oh, from is from the table. There's a function. It starts with G.
Group by.
Group.
So
Hmm.
group by what?
Billing country.
Billing country.
Okay, thank you. Kelechi, are you following us?
Yes, sir.
Okay, billing country. So what's the next thing for me to do, please?
want to say having, but I don't know whether it's correct.
Having. No, we don't need having here. We're not aggregating by we are not there is no we're not filtering by amount,
Yeah, by
by sales rather.
numbers.
See, God, I beg. So here we have highest to the lowest. There is a function, a sorting function we're supposed to use. Let me give you should I give you a list of options?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
We have sum, we have average, we have where, we have having, we have order by, we have group by, we have limit. I repeat, we have sum, we have where clause, we have the group by, we have order by, we have limits, we have group by, we have having. Which one?
But you got
Other.
limits before. You remove limits.
I put limit again. Which one do you? Anyone? You should choose anyone, Jerry. Choose anyone.
So
Where what?
where
Where what now?
where the highest value.
Uh-huh. Okay, let me follow you. Where the highest value? Uh-huh.
Please, I don't know. Saying.
By.
Who can help us, please?
Other by.
Or we choose limit.
Limit. So put limit. Limit what?
I don't know.
No, you use limit when I tell you show only the 5 top customers, 5, 10 transactions. That's when you use limit. You understand?
Okay.
The reason why I'm following this route is this. I want us to understand this thing very well. I can just be talking. If I always say the way that I was taught SQL, the guy was just rapping. You follow, you don't follow. You understand? So one guy when we were doing SQL, the guy was chatting me, say they play game. As we were doing the SQL course. Now gave me the play. They don't understand what they happen for this class. So okay, what you do is you just order by. Don't forget. You will never forget this thing. Order
Yes.
by. When you want to sort, don't forget. Let me type it here. When you want to sort in ascending order or
Descending.
yes, God bless you, sir. Or descending order. What are you going to use?
Other
Other
by.
by.
Order by. Just remember order Uber. Don't forget. Don't forget this line. I don't know this. Okay, let me put this line in. So when you are copying when you're screenshotting, you don't forget. You will see it here. I just want us to
Yes,
get
sir.
it. So order by. So when we are sorting, don't forget. Yeah. Then remember I say something when you are filtering. When you are filtering by, let me say, categorical variables. What do you filter by? Is it the where or the group? See where or having. Hmm?
When you're
Having.
fixing by what?
When you are filtering by categorical variables,
Having.
ha- have a vowel. Yeah.
uh,
Remember how we say something like where country is equals to USA, something like that. You remember?
mm,
Wow. Okay, so on that sense, filtering by country, no, filtering by aggregation. Let me say aggregates in bracket. Let me put e.g. e.g. You want to filter by the sum of total. Somebody's mic is uh, somebody's either your laptop mic is on and your phone mic is on at the same time, something like that. That's causing this echo. Okay, so filtering by aggregates, yeah, you use the having. Don't forget all these things. So okay, don't worry, we will do something. I'll Before I proceed to the next question, yeah, we'll do something with this. So let's just finish this question. So we said select billing country as country, comma sum in bracket total as sales, group by billing country, order by. So what do we want to sort by? Order means sort, what I've told you. So what column are we going to sort by? want to sort from the highest to the lowest. So what column are we
Yes.
going to sort by? What column? What's
Total.
yes from total. So you just use for now. You for order by you for the order by you can use the alias. Is in having. I'm not sure you. Sure you might be able to use the alias. So order by sales. Now the question is in ascending or descending order we want to do it.
Descending.
Descending order. Now run your query. Okay, so what am I having? Okay, okay. Select. Let me see what the error is giving me. Oh, no from. Sorry, we're not put our from. Sorry, from invoices.
I said from before you said from vowel.
No, I was asking you a different question. I was.
You said from.
I was
You
asking you.
see?
Oh yeah,
You
sorry for that. But I was asking something else. So I know you don't allow me to hear word
what?
again.
I don't allow you.
Okay, so we are all of us will clap for you all together. Don't worry, at the end of the class. So we are select village country as I was actually asking something. I was asking group by what you now said from. That would be something like that. Huh? But it's okay. Thank you for that correction. Thank you.
So what's the next?
Yeah.
So what was the next thing I said?
Yeah, is that
I
what I
said
said?
from vowel.
Oh, sorry, Jerry. Sorry for
Yeah.
that.
Mm,
So we said
I want
select.
to learn.
We said select village country as country comma sum in bracket total. So this is the query actually. All right. This is the query. So we now said highest to the lowest. So we can see that USA $523, Canada $303, and the USA had the highest sales. The what I would have taught you guys is how to interpret results, like how to give a report. If you want to give a report of this, you say this query shows the countries with the highest sales in amount from the highest to the lowest sales in amount. The country USA recorded. Should I write all these things down? People need it in report writing, but is it necessary? Ah, no, not today, I beg. I'll write I'll get out of typing. So this is it. Now what I want to do is this. Any confusion from this question? Class, any confusion?
No.
Okay, good. Now what we are going to do is this. I want to give you a question that is based on filtering by the where clause. That's how I want to do it under it. So let's say if I ask you now, oh, write a query that shows transactions done in, let me say, no, not Germany. What other countries there? Done in Ireland. Ireland. This is where you are going to need your where clause. So it says now the question says shows transactions. Write a query that shows transactions done in Ireland. All right. What you simply come here to do is just say select. You can just say all from. Let me write a query that shows all transactions. Let me put that way. All transactions. Just say select all from. What's the name of the table? Doctor.
Invoices.
No, leave doctor. Let doctor answer the question. Doctor, what's the name of the table, please? From where? Eh? Doctor.
And transaction done in.
And where? Select all from no invoices. That's the name of the table. Hmm? Select all from invoices. Now this is where I'm coming to. Where the country that is billing country is equals to Ireland. This is a basic situation. I feel where you can use your where clause. All right, you can see island, 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 island. Is there any confusion about this weird clause now? Please answer me, class.
No.
No.
No, let me now give you one to do. You guide me on how I'm going to answer this particular question, right? So let me see. Australia. My goal is just for you to understand all this stuff. It's not for me to come and start teaching. You have to spell Australia. Australia. Okay, I'm correct. Okay, so please, can who volunteer to guide me? Hmm? Okay,
Select.
okay.
Select all. Asterisk.
Yeah.
Yeah. From from invoices. Where billing country?
Mm-hmm.
Is Australia. Quotation. Close.
Hallelujah. You got it. Thank you very, very much, Doctor. Thank you. Okay, now class, let's try another
You're
something.
welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, all right. Let's try something new. What if we say something like this? I know I mentioned it the last time we had a class, but I just want to repeat it again in case maybe we forgotten. It's write a query that shows all transactions done in Australia and USA. Sorry, not and, can be and, or USA. How do we do this? Does anybody have an idea?
Let's
Yeah? Okay, select.
select
Yeah?
from invoices. Wait, so
Hmm?
yeah, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Where billing country
Mm-hmm.
equals Australia or US.
US.
If
What's left?
USA.
Yeah. Any that?
And close.
Okay. We're good to go. So why did he give us USA, USA? Who can tell me what's wrong with this query, please? Something is not right. Who can tell me?
I'm not right.
Yeah. You're close. Just one thing. Just a mistake.
Supposed to have billing country twice.
Thank you. Yeah, it's true. You made in your work. We did something like this. Kelechi. Can't
Yes,
remember.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. Ewo. Yeah, I remember now. You asked me something related to this. So what you just did is you say where billing country is equals to Australia or billing country is equals to correct. So let's run it once. Yeah, so you have USA, Australia. You can see it's not mixed up now. You can see it's mixed up. So that's now the please let me and I was trying to explain something. You are trying to filter transactions based on a country and it's one column. When you are filtering based on two factors, let me use that word, or two variables, which is USA and Australia, and they are from the same column, you use the or. Is that clear? But when you want to filter, let me say, based on, let me say, USA and city, Boston, you are going to use and. So
And
let's do the and one. If you say Any question from this one, please?
No.
Okay, good. Now let's do the last one from all these simple questions we are just done. All this one is just more like we're just trying to be sure that we understand what we've done so far. Done in, let me see, country equals to USA and city is equals to ACA. Okay. Who has not guided me today now? Yeah, Kelechi, you guide me on this one.
Okay, that shows up in countries. See. Okay. Um, select from invoices. Select all from invoices. So
Hmm?
where billing country is equal to USA and billing city is equal to CA. Close.
Okay. Because I made a mistake in my spelling for invoices. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so there's no. How come? How come? That is possible. Okay, billing state, not billing city. Sorry, it's billing state. Sorry, billing state, not billing city. Sorry. All right, so those are people. Yeah. So this is what we have. Okay, so any question based on all this? This is just like a refresher of what we've done. John, yeah, any question from all these things we've done?
No.
Okay, so doctor, any question?
No.
Okay, so okay, let's you of course no question. Do you need to screenshot this stuff, class?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so let me run this number one question, then you screenshot the plus the answer. So when you are doing your own, you should give it the same. So, so this is the answer for number one. So let me remove this guy. Okay, yeah. So
It's the
it's what?
last one we did.
Hey, should I say let me start from the first one now? Have you so let me so I know that
Screenshotted.
yeah, screenshotted this one. Okay, so class I can move to the next one, Abby.
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
This is the first one, right?
Yeah, this is the first one.
Okay, done.
Done. Okay, good. So, how am I now? So, I now wrote down something here. I said, remember that sort in ascending plus or descending order. When you want to sort in ascending or descending order, you use order by. And I say when you want to filter in based on a categorical variable. I don't know if this English I wrote is correct though. But you understand what I mean, class, Abby? When you want to sort,
Sorry?
I don't know if this English is correct, categorical variables or whatever. But when you want to filter like something like where something is USA, where country is, this is where you use where clause, all right? What you then I now did we now said a question under this one. So what I'm going to do is this. Let me separate it. The second question we did. These are the questions we did. This one I don't need to show you the answer because they are simple. These are the questions we did. You can now screenshot it. All these ones are whereby where they're using the where clause. So you can screenshot this one. Can I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, filtering by aggregation. Okay, this is the one we have not yet done. So let me go. So can I now? What we want to do, class, is I want to give you a question whereby we are going to filter based, and we're going to use the having clause to filter. Is that okay? So let's proceed. So let's say if they tell you to write, sorry, if they tell you to write a query, they will write a query that shows only transactions. Let me do the simple one. Only transactions greater than 30. Let me say 30, right? So greater than $30. All right, greater than 30. Who can tell me how I'm going to do this one? I need help. Who is gonna help me?
Select. Let's select.
Okay, no, 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 sorry. There's something that's not here. So there's something that's I know this question is not correct. Right? This question, if you use having like this, it will not work. Write a query that shows coming transaction. Yeah, that show transactions in each country, by each country, by each country greater than, this is where it's correct now. Yeah, because like this now, this each country now we cannot do a group by, and with this $30 we can now use the sum function to sum everything together. So doctor, please, you can go ahead.
Okay. Let's select. Selecting invoice. No. Billing country as country. Mm. Then from. Oh, okay. Are we doing invoice too?
So let me write down the table. I mean, they can be sent the table. This is the table. You hope you're seeing the table.
Yeah.
So what am I supposed to do next?
You're selecting from invoice now.
Hmm.
Then um group group by group by um group by invoice. No, group by.
Is there any column called invoice? We have invoice ID, we
No,
have customer ID, we have invoice date, billing address, billing city, billing state, billing country, billing postal card, total. Only group by column, not from the. You can't group by the
we are,
table.
we are group by country now or by billing
Can't put country.
okay. Then having
Oh, perfect. Yeah, Jerry. Mm-hmm.
having what? Having wait, are we looking for sum total or just greater than?
You are looking for, write a code that shows only transactions by each country. Okay, let me put it this way. Maybe your query might be different. Write a query that shows total transactions by each country. Total transactions. Let me put it this way. Total transactions by each country greater than $30. Meaning you sum all their transactions for each country put together. The ones that are greater than $30.
Okay, so that means our select is going to change. We are going to
Exactly.
add some.
Supposed to have changed since. So,
Supposed to have since
yeah, now I didn't want to say anything. What am I supposed to add?
some
Some
some.
total.
Kelechi, don't worry, your time is coming now. Let her be across for this time. Some to
Ah, so am I bearing a cross? Am I carrying a cross? Ah, no, you did not tell me I'm carrying a cross.
You're our savior today, don't worry. You're our savior. SQL savior. So what alias do you want to give your aggregation?
Um, what is the key? What are we even? I don't know. Give it an alias by yourself.
I thought to look okay, leave it like that now. It will still work, but it does not make sense.
Oh yeah, wait. Wait.
As total.
Then you're not saying
Look,
anything.
I
Don't
want
worry. When your time, you will not say anything.
so I want advice to use total as the alias because total is a column there. So don't use something different.
Yeah. As
Sales.
Okay, let's see. Your brother auto. Come on.
as. Okay.
Sales. Kelechi says sales. So
Yeah. So add sales to our group by.
yeah.
Ah,
What next? Let's come to having.
having.
Having what?
Mm. Our total having having some.
Now the reason why I'm using sum and total, not the alias, is that I'm not so sure what I want to say. In some SQL workbench, like my own, if I use just sales as my and I put sales here, it will work. But I think there are some workbench that it might not work. You have to use the original. So that's how I'm doing it.
Mm,
So is it so what's the next thing? Greater than what?
some better than $30. 30.
Is this your final answer?
No.
Didn't even waste time. Say no straight up.
Is this our final answer? What about that by?
I'm asking other by what? They didn't tell us to. They didn't ask us to show in descending or ascending order. Unless you want to add that one. I can we can add it though. Hmm?
I don't know.
Rerun this query. Are you sure of this answer?
Oh yeah, now let's run the query. If I'm not sure, it is you that wrote it now. I don't know what
Voila. All right. So of course it's wrong, and the reason why it's
Is it
wrong
okay?
is because of the group. Who can tell me why? Why? Can tell me why? It's just one thing. That,
Billing. Billing.
you said
Billing.
billing, bao. Not billing. No. There is one thing that is wrong. There is something that is wrong. She did wrong. Let me give you the secret. It's in your group by column. That's what the mistake is.
Okay.
Yeah. This thing is this. You don't group by aggregated columns. Is this clear? You know what I mean by aggregated column? This is your aggregated column. You don't group by. you sum. I mean, you use having, but you have say having by. That's the thing. You don't grow by aggregated columns. Please don't make that mistake. Is this clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is what to do. Now, if she like what Dr. Nan said, you now decide to see from the highest to the lowest. You can now say order by sales, descending order. So this will now show us. This one will now show us from the highest to the lowest. Exactly.
Okay, you see when I was doing my assignment, that classwork you gave, that assignment you gave us,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
What's that code? I did it several times on my SQL. It didn't run.
Mm,
I was doing this first of all on SQL Lite.
mm,
It didn't run. I kept checking and checking and checking. Then eventually, okay, then I now copied it. I pasted it on my SQL. It didn't run. Then I now corrected it. I saw where the error was. I corrected it on my SQL Lite and it ran. I copied that same thing.
mm,
I put it on my SQL. It didn't work.
yeah. There are differences in operation. I've been privileged to work on BigQuery, the SQL Big Data query. I've been privileged to work with SQLite and MySQL Workbench, even Microsoft SQL. I've used total of 4 different SQL. I can tell you that tools and Workbench. I can tell you that sometimes what works on one might not work on the other. It's not your fault, actually. It's not at all. Okay, so that's been said. Now, before we proceed to the next group of questions, I want to try something. I want to write 2 questions and I want you to tell me the clause we are supposed to use. Is it having or? Janya, are you with us?
Sorry, my network went on no service.
Bagan, I'm coming. So where did you so this is the query we wrote. We will say write a query that shows only total transactions by each country created by $30. We are using having, not here. Hmm? Doctor got it somehow. Got it somehow. So let's go to the next question. The next question is I want you to tell me between these 2 queries I want to write, tell me the one I'm supposed to use having and the one I'm supposed to use where. This one they said write a query that shows transaction by country. Okay, let me say by state. Hmm? Less than, let me say, $70. So this is the first question. The next question, we're not solving it, I just want to just do something. Write, maybe on your own, you can write it. I mean, you can solve it on your own. Write a query that shows only transactions by USA. My brethren in the Lord, where, what are we going to use? Having or where for this one? Let me call this one A. Question A. This is question E. Brethren, which one are we going to use for the question A? Which plus are we going to use for question B? This is going to be your own assignment. You solve it by yourself, but I thought you just let me know.
Question A is having. Question B is where.
Okay, that
Question A is where.
okay. Question B.
Question B is having.
Okay, Janya, what of you?
Question A is where,
Mhm.
and question B is having.
So, will I say the majority carries the vote? Huh? Doctor,
Yeah.
your people have left you. Only you.
Yeah.
They have left
Everybody
you. Nobody wants to stand.
is standing by me. Oh. Me, I'm standing on my truth.
Doctor is actually correct. Sha. He's
Yes.
actually
Mhm.
having. Yeah, he's actually having. The answer is having. So what I'm going to do is that you will solve it by yourself. So this would be one of the questions I want to see. In the meantime, screenshot this one we just did, please. So also screenshot this question because you're going to give me the answer to this question. So screenshot this one. When you're done, let me know. Doctor was correct. Let me clap for her. Bam, 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 bam. She was correct.
Ejaya is not following me. She should not worry. Continue
I'm sorry.
following. This is it's supposed to be supporting women supporting women.
Yes, yes,
So women
sorry.
supporting women inside SQL.
LOL.
Let's go never show you shit again. Let's show you something. Women supporting SQL, not women supporting women.
SQL.
Oh Jesus Christ. But yeah, we are done with the kindergarten questions now. And let's with the next 30 minutes or so, let's do one or two questions. The only one would not finish in the next 30, 40 minutes. We'll take it home as assignment. Yeah, okay.
You said we will close by 8:30.
It does. I'm not God, so it's only God that keeps his word. I'm not God. Me, I can break my own word. Well, God says my covenant will not break. Not all the things that have come out of my lips. You will check your Bible very well. You don't see my name there.
I thought I did not see your name.
All right, let's proceed to the next questions. Anyone we can finish? I'm gonna go do my assignments. Today is public holiday, so let's for those that want to go and keep their gram, visible rams. Let them have time. All right, so let's go to this question. All right. So the question says, write a query to show the average invoice total. We are still. Let me for emphasis sake. Let me just write down the query from invoices. All right. Okay. Okay. So class, they said, who can help us here? Write a query to show the average invoice total for each billing city. Show the total. Show the top 5 cities by average. Who can help us? Let me help you first by writing select. Who can help us, please? Did I interpret the question?
No.
Let's be
Billing City.
Who is talking?
this
Billing.
doctor.
Doctor, I know, doctor is okay. Another person, Pico. I beg, I beg, I
If
beg. I only you want to know everything. Haba.
you push me go front, so eh?
Oh yeah,
Yes,
another
my
person. I beg, I beg, I
Yeah,
beg.
Giant, follow.
Wait,
Ladies
what?
first.
They make you know this
Right,
your
Ladies first.
Ladies first, okay. Oh, don't reach a square now. Ladies first.
write a query to
Tush.
show the average. Select billing city,
Mhm.
comma,
Mhm. But you not put any alias, so why? Let's put alias. As what?
as billing city.
Uh-uh.
city.
Mhm. So yeah, continue.
Average total.
Correct me any place I'm wrong, oh. As what?
Um,
I said something. Correct me any place I'm wrong, oh. As what?
somebody help me. Oh.
You just
Yes.
started.
Choose any alias you like now.
As average in
You can just say AV. You
um
can say AVG underscore sales.
okay.
Anyone. Or AVG underscore total. That would be the right one. And what's the next one?
From
Mm-hmm.
from invoices.
That one. So is that one is not very easy for everybody. Uh-huh.
Mhm.
What next?
Yes. Group by
Yes.
billing system.
Or let's just use it. Same
Okay.
thing. Uh-huh.
Then order by. Is it order by?
Mm-hmm.
Order by average total.
That's sharp. Oh. Yeah, so you have been hiding behind doctor since. Eh? What have brought you out? What have exposed you?
I think this depending said for each bin top top five says
The function you're supposed to use. What's the name of that function? Start from L.
limits
Mm-hmm.
limits five.
This is your final answer.
Uh
Or do you want to phone a friend? Or do you want to use 50-50?
it's 50-50.
50. There's no 50-50. The option you ask is to phone a friend or face your face your choice you have made.
Okay, final answer.
This is your final answer. You're sure? If you fail this answer,
Yeah.
you drop from $200,000 to $100,000.
Amen.
It's amen.
Ever want everything, no get out.
Unfortunately, you're about
Ewo.
$100,000. I told you, check your query very well. So who can? Oh yeah, your time has passed. Now anybody that get the answer will get half of our money, which is $50,000. So who can tell me what was wrong in this query? And I'll give you a clue. What was wrong was in the first line. I mean, what was wrong that was in the first line? Congregation, I'll be
There's no
audience,
sum.
help us. You say?
There's no sum there.
Why are we using the sum? How should we use it?
How are you using average now? Abi?
Yes, we are using average. So, but where is the error?
I think this your average. It's not supposed to be full. I don't know if that works.
Mm. What is it supposed to be? Are you challenge? Are you saying teacher doesn't know what he's doing? Eh?
Um,
Eh?
sorry, no. I I'm just brainstorming now.
No, but you're saying the teacher is wrong now.
I'm not saying you're wrong. How did I say? How did I say? I didn't say you're wrong.
Yeah. So what are you not saying?
Ah, I don't know.
You are correct. It's wrong to put average here. It's AVG. So you congratulations, you just won $50,000.
Wow.
Let's send my number.
To where?
No mouth.
To where? To who?
So you know.
You knew now.
I need not to know the address of the CEO. His phone number. Am I the owner of the company? If I give you $50,000, nothing is ritual money. Okay, who can tell us what to do to Jan, I hope you understand. Eh?
Yes.
Okay, good. But final thing, look at the answer. Can you notice there's something wrong with the answer? Nothing is wrong with the answer, but it's looking the decimal place is just too much.
Round up.
Round.
Can't
So you put the round brackets. You now come here, put a comma. Oh,
count.
and let's use two. I like using two. So this is what we just did. Round put a bracket, AVG. This one was there. They'll put comma 2 and all that. So it will make it look neater. You don't need to screenshot this one. This question we just did. The answer.
Yes, now wait. Please hold on, please.
Okay. So Kelechi, it's your turn next. So the next question to be your turn.
Okay.
So Janya, you could have just walked away with your 200,000. But instead, you chose to try your luck. You never even go for 50-50 or call a friend.
I practically did not fail
Yeah.
because it was just average.
You. Why was he not giving us error now?
Mhm. I wonder.
Okay, are we done? Are we done?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right, let's go. Kelechi, your time starts now. Your time to sit on the hot seat starts now. Ah, this
Let
one.
me see.
Hey. So I never bother to sit on the hot seat, sef. Just stay with the congregation. Okay, well,
See
yeah.
your screen.
Are you seeing my screen?
No.
You're not seeing my. No, it's not. You not see my screen before you're seeing the screen. No, it's not. You're not seeing the screen. I mean, see
Am
this.
I the only one?
Yeah. This is your question.
No, seriously.
You
I'm
can't
not
see the
seeing the screen.
screen. I bet, doctor, can you see my screen, Biko?
I can see your screen now.
Okay, Jaya, can you see my
Yes.
screen? It's
Yes.
not that it's done. You just finished screenshotting something, no, from the screen. No, now you cannot see the
Okay,
screen.
okay, okay. I have seen it now.
Okay. Oh
I've
yeah.
seen
Well,
it
what are
now.
we? The question. Let me just interpret what the question is telling you to do, so to be easy for you. We've not done something. Have we done something like this before? Okay.
No, we haven't. Though.
Let me see the next question. Okay, let me just. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me just do this one. Maybe you do the next one. This question, can I even remember how to solve it? Okay, so let's see if I even remember. Select a query to show transactions done between 20 or whatever to 20. So, want to choose. This is where you are going to work it out. All right. Want to choose. Want to select all transactions, all data in our table where transaction is between the year between this date, yeah, to this date. Yeah, all right. So that's what's our table. What's our table? Select all from invoice. All right. All right. Select. I'm not even too sure. I can't even remember how to do this thing. Let me try. Select all from invoices. Want to select to show all the transactions. Let me just put all the transactions done between this. So select all from invoices. You say where. Oh, sorry. Invoice dates. Yeah. Where invoice dates between, this is the way to do it. All right. When you want to go from one date to another date, select in transactions done from one date to another date. This is way, I think this is the way you're supposed to do it. Where invoices between, you put in double quotes. Now, date is not number. Remember, I told you it's only when when you are dealing with numbers, you don't put it in quotes. If you remember, we did, like for example here, 30 is not in double quotes. Remember, it's just
Mm-hmm.
what they call it, integer. But when you're dealing with dates, please put it in a double quote. But in my SQL book, I think it's single quote. We use not double quote. I don't remember. So 04 dash. What am I doing? Sorry, 01 dash 01. I think, let me check if this is wrong. It should be. I'll check it out, sure. Okay, even me say, but I can't even remember the answer. I just cherry picked some questions from somewhere. Let me see.
Why are we using and?
Yeah, I was supposed to use that. Let me check. Yeah, I was supposed to use that. Between 200901 and that's how to do it. This is the reason why I did this thing, this first question. I want you to just cram it first before you understand it. Just look at it. I won't say anything for the next 1 minute. Just let this thing settle in. Just take a look.
Okay.
You don't enter, abi? Okay, have you entered? Hmm? Well,
So,
are you okay? You understand it?
Mm-hmm.
That's giant. Is that doctor? No. Doctor, do you understand now?
There was one that responded.
Okay, the one. Okay. Giant uncle.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Kelechi uncle.
so
You understand?
yes.
Okay, good. Don't forget when you're dealing with dates, please put them in double quote. When you're dealing with numbers, don't put them in double quotes. When you're dealing with text, put them in double quote. Only numbers you don't put in double quotes. Exactly. Good. And also when you're dealing with column names, don't put them in quote, double quote. Good. Now,
So
yeah.
in numbers, is it single quotes?
No, you don't put them in anything at all. Now I gave an example here. This one, having some total greater than 30. You didn't put, if you put in double quote, you get an error. When you put in double quote, it changes this. When you double quote or single quote, it changes to, now double quote is SQL light. Single quote, I think, is in my SQL. You understand? My SQL.
Okay.
Yes, is, yeah. I don't think double quote works in my SQL workbench. I don't know. I can't remember. It's been very long I use it, but I don't think it works. But you can check it out. Hmm? If I choose, if I use single quote now, you see, oh, Jesus, something enter my eye. If I use this thing to change it to red, you see, it means something else. So I've forgotten what it actually means. That's the truth. 'Cause I learned SQL with my SQL workbench, not my SQL Lite. So can we go to the next question that Kelechi will? So can you screenshot this one and let's, have you screenshotted?
Yeah, really.
Okay. We're almost through for today. Oh. So at least let's know I'm celebrating Salah. Just this one we're done. Can we proceed?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the last question for today. Any other one you could do it as assignment. So unless you want us to remain here. Sorry, this question is good. Okay, so Kelechi, your turn now. Your, this question is the combination of two type of stuff we've done. They said write a query to show where billing country is Germany and transactions is between these dates to so dates. Help us out. Select. Kini. What are we select?
Select invoices
Mm-hmm.
where yeah, where billing country is Germany.
Sorry.
From invoices, sorry.
Wait, which one? I don't understand. Select what first?
Select.
Select.
Select what am I, am I selecting myself? What am I selecting?
Select invoices, yes.
You. Uh-huh.
Alright. Okay. Where billing country is equal to Germany?
Am I correct? The way I wrote the Germany, am I correct?
No, it has to be in quotes.
So what next?